Most of the office work is of clerical work which requires a large variety of stationery and other articles in connection with work. These are often known as office supplies and include items like paper, paper pads, letterheads, carbon, typewriters, pen, pencils, erasers, stamp pads, stamping and duplicating ink, pin, clips, glue, sellotape, stapler, tacks, rubber bands, sealing wax, and so on. In each category of stationery, several types and qualities of items are often required. Need for office stationery and supplies. Cost. Generally, the value of office stationery is very small but used regularly in any office. Availability. Every office staff must be provided with the best tools of the right type in order to enable them to produce the best possible results. Factors to be considered for selecting office stationery. The office manager has to decide about the quality, types, and needs of stationery. Suitability. The stationery should be capable of satisfying the needs of the office and well suited for the purpose for which they are purchased. Cost. The cost of stationery should not exceed 40% to 50% of the non-salary expenditure. Goodwill. The letters must give a good impression to the recipient. They create goodwill for the firm. Durability. Cheaper quality stationery has a shorter life. The papers are kept for long period and used as documentary evidence. Hence, superior quality stationery should be used for important matters. Preservation. The carbon copy of the letter is preserved for future reference. Hence, the letter appears on the carbon. Performance. A specified brand of stationery has to be used continuously until the stage of availability of satisfaction. Quality. Stationery has short life if ordinary quality is purchased. The stationery of superior quality will be profitable.